So this is shea butter. I don't know if you guys can see. This is shea butter. So I'm going to be doing an experiment. So I'm going to apply this shea butter on this part of my hand here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can brighten up your skin with shea butter. Shea butter is popularly known in this part of Africa, Nigeria precisely, as ori or orioyo. Shea butter is of African origin. It is extracted from the nuts of a tree called the shea tree. If you were raised by African parents, at some point you must have come in contact with shea butter, or your mom must have recommended shea butter to use on your skin. The focus of today's video is what shea butter can do for your skin. First of all, I will go into the benefits of shea butter and also how you can use shea butter to brighten up your skin to get an even skin tone. So let's get to it. Number one, shea butter is a perfect moisturizer for all skin types. It doesn't matter whether you are dark or you are fair. Shea butter is a perfect moisturizer irrespective of your skin tone. When you apply shea butter topically on your skin, by topically I mean when you apply shea butter on your skin, it gets absorbed easily into your skin. And also shea butter helps to restore lost oils on your skin. Shea butter contains some fatty acids like linoleic acid, oleic acid, and palmitic acid, which helps to soften the skin and helps your skin to retain moisture. It helps your skin to retain moisture by forming an oily water blocking layer on your skin, which helps to slow down the loss of water through the skin. I'll give you guys an example. So this is shea butter. I don't know if you guys can see. This is shea butter. So when I say that shea butter helps to form an oily water blocking layer on your skin, so I'm going to be doing an experiment. So I'm going to apply this shea butter on this part of my hand here. So as you can see, this is an example of shea butter forming an oily water blocking layer on your skin. So it helps to seal in moisture so you don't lose water through your skin. The second benefit of shea butter is that shea butter has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to relieve your skin from irritation and also helps to soothe minor burns on the skin. I can recall one time when I had a cold, my mom insisted that I rub shea butter on the bridge of my nose, on the top of my nose, and she said it was going to help, free my airways. So I was like, how does this help? I reluctantly tried it, and to my utmost surprise, I was able to sleep that night compared to other nights we had to struggle because my nose was blocked. So shea butter really does have anti-inflammatory properties. So my dear, don't joke with shea butter. Shea butter is great. The third benefit of shea butter is that shea butter is a very, very good remedy for stretch marks. I know a lot of persons have heard that shea butter is good for stretch marks, but have you asked yourself, why is shea butter good for stretch marks? Or how does shea butter help to reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your skin? Shea butter helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks by restoring the elasticity of your skin and also enhancing the production of collagen. Consistent application of shea butter on the affected area, that is the areas where you have stretch marks, if you apply shea butter on those areas consistently, you begin to see results in a matter of weeks. This is because shea butter contains vitamin A, and vitamin A helps to rebuild collagen, thereby making the stretch marks look like your normal skin. There are lots of benefits of shea butter, but not to make this video too long, I just mentioned the ones that are beneficial for the skin. Now, how can you use shea butter, this wonderful butter, this natural product? How can you use shea butter to brighten and even out your skin tone? Shea butter is like a hard oil. It contains no water. So when trying to mix shea butter and you add a serum contains water. It is going to separate. It is going to separate because water and oil do not mix. Except you add an emulsifier, that is only when you can be able to mix water and oil together, except that you cannot add serums to your shea butter, because even if you add serums to your shea butter and you whip it, at some point after a day or two, you see that the water, you begin to see particles of water liquid on your shea butter. I have done it before, so I'm talking to you from experience. You cannot mix serums into your shea butter because serums contain water, and at some point they are going to separate and you're going to have a messy product. So if we cannot use serums or concentrate in our shea butter because water and oil do not mix unless we add an emulsifier, so what is the way forward? I will show you how you can use lightening oils, not serums, lightening oils in your shea butter to give you this brightening effect and also help to even out your skin tone. If you want to enjoy the nourishing benefits of shea butter and at the same time you want to brighten your skin, just add these oils that I'll be mentioning in this video. All you have to do is measure out the quantity of butter you want to use, then add the oils little by little. I'm going to drop a recipe towards the end of this video, a full recipe on how you're going to add your oils to the butter. Always make sure that the oils are not more than the quantity of shea butter. After adding the oils, which are the lightening oils and essential oils I'll be listing in this video, after adding the oils to the butter, get a whisk or a hand mixer and begin to mix it thoroughly until you get a fluffy consistency. Then you can package and put in a jar. So I'm going to give a detailed recipe and steps so you guys do not get a mix up, get confused about it. So let's say for example you are making 500-gram batch of a brightening shea butter. So I wrote the recipe down. So let's say for example you are making 500 grams of the product. What you will need is 370 grams of shea butter. Then the next thing you're going to need is 75 grams of lightening oils. You can use Nature's Secret oil. You can use any lightening oil as long as it is safe. Then the next oil you need is 50 ml of carrot oil or sunflower oil, or any good oil of your choice. You can use that, any good carrier oil of your choice. You can use that. Then you also need essential oils. You need 2 ml of essential oil. Then you might wonder, why are we adding essential oils to this product? We are adding essential oils because essential oils are potent, undiluted natural oils, which helps with a lot of skincare issues. Essential oils help in the reduction of scars on the skin, helps in the reduction of skin reactions. It also helps in the reduction of stretch marks, and so on and so forth. Basically, essential oils helps to repair and rejuvenate your skin, so they are very, very important in this recipe. They're important in your product. You need essential oils. They are very, very good. You can use geranium essential oil, you can use frankincense essential oil, you can use lang lang, you can use turmeric essential oil. You can use any good essential oil of your choice and it's going to be good. Then the next ingredient you need is fragrance, 1 ml. This depends on your preference of fragrance. Then the last ingredient you need is preservative, 2 ml. I know that this product contains no water, so preservative might not really be necessary, but because of, I don't know the environment you are making this product, I don't know if bacteria might have come in contact with this product you are making, so it's advisable that you add preservative to just be on the safe side. If I'm making mine, I will not add preservative because I am sure of my environment. But if you are not sure of your environment, if you're not sure that your tools are going to be clean and well sanitized, please use a preservative. And preservative here is 2 ml. And because you're making 500-gram batch of the product, which might last you for 2 or 3 months, I think it's best you add a preservative to be on the safe side. So this recipe is going to give us 500 grams of whipped brightening shea butter. This product is super easy to make, and you can make this in the comfort of your home. The ingredients are not so expensive, the ingredients are easy to find, so you can make this in your home. So if you're interested in how to incorporate serums and concentrate into your shea butter to get that super brightening effect, please indicate in the comment section depending on how much response I get, and I will make a video on it. This recipe is tested and trusted. It will not bleach your skin in any way. This brightening shea butter is going to help to brighten and even out your skin tone in a very mild way, so you are sure to get results from this recipe. I can assure you that you're going to get results from this recipe. Just follow the recipe hook, line and sinker, and you're going to get results. And also, please, if you want this thing to work for you, you have to exfoliate your skin. Learn to exfoliate your skin so that you can get the best out of your product. If you want this shea butter to actually brighten your skin and even out your skin tone, you have to exfoliate first. Then the shea butter can work. If you don't exfoliate, I don't know how to help, because I cannot come and scrub your skin in your house. You have to do that one by yourself. I've given you a recipe that's nice, so you have to just please help yourself, okay? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. If you have any topic you want me to make a video on, just indicate in the comment section and I'll try and make a video on it. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.